Broward College exists to serve this community every day of the year. But today's a bit of a special day. We try to find resources in order to be able to help other organizations enhance their ability to serve.
Today is about having a day on versus a day off, because that's what Dr. King represented. And so one of the things that, thanks to Broward College, we're putting together care packages.
These care packages are going to help us connect to some of the basic needs and also educate not only the volunteers but also the people that we serve.
I was always taught to give back, and so my children and grandchildren are in that process. They've been doing it for over 11 years that we've been giving back, and we love to serve.
If it weren't for volunteers, which is what the Y is all about, none of this work would get done, and the community would not benefit from all of the great support that volunteers bring to the community.
Sometimes we look at people and we think that they have it going on, but they're just one step away from being homeless, and that's why you need to always give back and just thank God for just blessing you with what you have.
It's been such a wonderful, eventful day just to make a difference. A day on instead of a day off, coming together to enhance the lives of others in our community, which is exactly what we should all be doing today.
We are so thankful to Broward College for partnering with us and for the resources that they have given us, because these kids love it, love it, love it.
We cannot do anything alone. And we have so many great organizations. This community is one that is known for collaboration. And so together we serve, a mantra we've been pushing for some time now, really shows itself today. It shows how so many organizations can come together in partnership with us to, again, bring service to those who need us most. And without each other, we don't do it. It is only indeed together we serve.